Turmeric has been used in the treatments of chest pain, jaundice, bloody urine, flatulence, hemorrhage, colic, menstrual difficulties, toothache, and bruises. Experts believe that most of the extremely useful properties of this spice are due to its active ingredient, curcumin. The anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric have been shown to be even stronger than medicines. However, unlike these pharmaceuticals, this natural spice causes no side effects. This ability of turmeric has been used in order to treat inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's. Moreover, turmeric has also been found to be able to treat the signs of rheumatoid arthritis, and is extremely useful in the case of cystic fibrosis. Also, turmeric successfully prevents cancer and inhibits cancer metastasis and growth. Turmeric can be used in numerous different ways, as follows. Joint pain. Combine Himalayan salt with turmeric in a ratio of 1:2 and add a little water, then, apply the prepared paste to the affected area and leave it to act for 20 minutes. Repeat this on a daily basis and you will successfully treat joint pain. Turmeric may leave a yellow color on the skin, but it will also virtually reduce the swelling. Disinfect minor cuts and wounds. Apply turmeric on a well-cleaned wound before you wrap the bandage. Food coloring and baking. You will need a bit of turmeric to color the food you are preparing. Stomach ache. Turmeric may significantly relieve the stomach ache. Antacid. In order to cure heartburn, you should prepare a tea by adding a teaspoon of turmeric to 4 cups of boiling water. Sunburn relief. In order to relieve the burnt skin, you should apply a mixture of turmeric and aloe vera gel. Teeth whitener. Turmeric is excellent for whitening the teeth. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda in order to prepare a paste and use it to brush your teeth as usual. Skin. You can add this spice to a tinted moisturizer in order to match the tone of your skin. Facial mask for dark circles. Acne, rosacea. Prepare a natural paste by combining a teaspoon of water, a teaspoon of honey, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Apply this facial mask on the face, and leave it to act for 3 minutes, and rinse afterward. Add to your dishes. This spice will add wonderful color to meals, especially curry. It will spice up the popcorn and will enrich the eggs.